Okay, so today we're going to get fancy. We're going to add hot stamps. Now we can add foil, we can add emboss effects. These are often used for wine labels. They look fantastic. And this is different than in the last video I set up a file for printing on metallic stock, which can get all kinds of metallic elements into our file. This is different. This time we're going to, instead of printing on metallic stock, we're going to stamp metallic foil onto our job. So we're still going to use spot colors, but we're going to do it differently. In our last video, printing on metallic stock, we used white ink. Now we're going to use a foil ink. It's still a spot color, but it's a little different how we set it up. So here we go. We have an object. I want this blue to be a foil. So for file organization reasons, I'm going to make myself a layer, and I'm going to call it a spot color. We'll call it blue foil, say. Anything that tells the printing company what it's going to be. The important bit is that we make it a spot color. And here we go. Now we have it in our ink list. It's blue foil. It's going to print on bare stock behind it. And it's only really different than how we set up a white, because here we set it up as a positive. What we want to be metallic is the positive, instead of, when we're printing with white ink, what is negative, or 0% white, is what will be metallic. An emboss is likewise set up in a positive way. If we want that also to emboss, we can copy it again. Here, by the way, I'm pasting in place so that what I paste is exactly where it was when I copied it. And I'll move that to the emboss layer. Now that does nothing. It's still called blue foil. To actually make it print, I'll give it a new spot color name called emboss. Whatever color. I'm going to set that to overprint so I still see my blue foil. If I turn off my emboss, I can see my blue foil. If I turn off my foil, I can see my emboss. And that's how you set up embellishments. This is going to start being a really nice looking label. Thanks so much for watching.